In this video, we are going to see how we can change the display language in Excel. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. Whatever version you are using for Excel, the options are pretty much the same. What you want to do is just go to the file menu here, and from here, just go to the bottom which says options. Just go in here and it will show us this complete options of Excel. So what we want to do is just click on the language right here. As you can see, my default language is selected to English, but if you want to add a new one, click on add a language next to it. Just click here. And whatever new language that we want to install, we can just select that. For example, Arabic, just select that and click on install and set as Office display language. You can click on install, click OK, and it will check for the updates. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Now it might take some time, so I'll just fast forward the process and skip all of this installation part because it's just downloading and updating the Office. And now it's asking us to save your work before continuing. So let's click on continue because Word and Excel both are open. So let's click continue here so that it automatically, first of all, just save the work and then close the box. Click OK. You cannot close the Microsoft Excel because of the dialog box is open. Click OK to switch. OK. And we are closing the applications manually. And now it should update. And now as you can see, the language is completely changed, but just make sure that you understand that language. Otherwise, you will find it very difficult to switch back to the original language. So this is how we can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.